Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Android screen in a Mini Cooper that it came with the silver trim. That's where we put the backup camera. So basically this car came with only the speedometer cluster, so we changed it to the one that you can see right now. It's a 4G LTE Android navigation, and also it comes with a backup camera, so we can add backup camera to the system by going to reverse. It can shift to backup camera, and also it plays 4K multimedia as well. That's the offline map, so you can use offline map. I'm going to reverse. That's the backup camera. That's where we are located, in 160 Conrad Crescent in Markham, Ontario. And I go to the video section. I can play through the USB that we add to this screen. Steering wheel control works.
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey Ron, are you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
And also apps are here. You can download Waze or any other apps you like. Car information is here. It shows you how much gas left in the gas tank. It shows the average speed and also the gas consumption too. And here, that's the Bluetooth. You can do Bluetooth music streaming too. That's the radio, AM and FM.
Every weekday from 8 to 5
on 98.1.
As you can see, the trim is silver, same as the factory. And this part is changed too. That's just for the look. Basically, that's the brain of the unit, and there is no DVD player. So everything is through USB multimedia. So you can browse from the USB, you can browse any videos that you have. By going to drive, still shows the video. The speedometer changed to digital, as you can see. It shows the warning lights and also the gas tank too. If you're interested to get these type of mini units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.